How to add effects to Facebook story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application, and then you will see an option create story in your home feed. Tap on it. Then simply select the picture that you want to post. And over here in this menu section, you will be able to see effects option. Tap on it. Tap on effects and all different effects will be loaded. Select the effect that you want to put in your story. And then you can also add stickers like this, add music, location, tag people, write something, and many more. All you have to do is tap on the share icon and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.